Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5012592. So if you're unable to install this update on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu and then click on settings. Now click on system, scroll down, click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters. Now over here you can see Windows update, click on run and let the troubleshoot complete. Once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now with Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click, set it to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. And with this selected, click on restart the service. Now once done, try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog to update your Windows 11. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Write down the name of the update over here. So right now it's KB5012592. Click on search. And this is the update, that is cumulative update for Windows 11 for x64 base system. This is my system type is x64 bit. So click on download and this will open this page. Now click on this hyperlink. Now if nothing happens, make a right click, then click on save link as. Now you can save it to desktop. Click on save. Click on this up arrow and then you will see the option to click on keep and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, run this file and install the update, then restart your computer and your Windows should be up to date. Now the next step is to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Copy this link. Open this link in a browser. It will again take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now click on accept and install and let the installation complete. Now in case if Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not opening, in that case open File Explorer. Then go to downloads, make a right click on Windows 11 Installation Assistant and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for. Select Windows 7 from the list, then click on apply, then click on OK and make a double click and then click on accept and install. And after the installation, restart your computer. Your Windows should be up to date. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here. Now type in Notepad in Windows search box and open Notepad. Paste all the command over here. Go to file, then click on save as. You can set the location at desktop and name this file as wuauserv.bat and then for save as type, select all files and then click on save. Now go to desktop. Now find the wuauserv file. So here it is. Make a right click on wuauserv file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and let the process complete. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take time. Now once all the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services and after that restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now in case nothing is working, you can use Media Creation tool to update your Windows 11. Go to this website. Here also you will find Media Creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps should help you to install this update on your Windows 11 computer successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.